Yes, yes, people. Yes, yes. Back again. We're not in the garage. We're out and about. We're at Ducati Coventry, and it is time to get the first service done. Look, first service. So I've just gone down here with the Hyper 698. Got a few little bikes going on. Oh, got some new deliveries over here. So let's get inside and see what we got to do. Oh, at least it's lovely and warm in here. Hopefully, fingers crossed, they're going to let me have a go in there, and I can speak to some of the engineers while we're getting the bike service. But yeah, let's get it booked in and take it from there. Right, we've got it in. It's inside, in the workshop. And this is a mad workshop, which I will show you a bit later once I get a little tour with Ed. But we're here with Ed, the technician, Mr. Ducati man. And you have actually been to Italy on the course for this, haven't you?
Correct,
yes. Yeah. So Ed's going to do the first service. What are we sort of... First service, usual stuff that we do.
Selection of safety checks, tyre pressures, chain tension and adjustment, torque settings, most importantly the oil drop, service light, and any potential software updates.
Okie dokie. And I think there's a couple of little just being a new bike, just some extra things that you got to check. I think seat bungs, which I think I might have already sorted out, and some other stuff to do with chain guards and other stuff that you mentioned, innit?
Product updates.
Product updates. That's the word. That's the classy way to put it. Product updates. So I'm going to let Ed get on with this, and then we'll have a chat with him afterwards once he's assessed the bike and checked it all up and plugged the computers in, and I'll have a little tour around Aladdin's Cave. All right, catch you in a bit. Right, Ed's at the stage now where we've got the fancy laptop out, the Ducati Mad laptop. We're going to plug it in, and I think, like we were just saying, it's almost been a year, I think, since the bike's been out, we think-ish.
At least, yes.
So I'm just going to see if there's going to be any updates that need to go on. I guess software updates. There's always some revisions that happen from Ducati, you guess, I suppose. Well, you'd assume so after about a year. And just see what they are.
That's identifier. There we go, Hypermotard 698 Mono, Euro 5.
Euro 5.
Let's have that one.
UK people, not for you Americans.
Let's do a scan. Hopefully there won't be any faults. But you have been
well,
playing.
yeah, I've been playing around with it a lot on my own in the garage, so you never know.
I doubt there's anything current.
I work in IT, mate. I'm not an engineer or a mechanic at all, so... Hence why Ed's on speed dial.
There we go.
Hey, new software update. God, there were a fair few items on that list, weren't there?
That's because the software needs changing.
Yes, okay.
So you have an injection update and a BBS update.
What's BBS?
Black box.
Back box. Give me more power. I'm getting more power for free now.
No, it runs some of the subsystems in the bike.
Oh, boo. I thought we'd be getting free more power. Hey, I'll tell you what, though. When I took it to the dyno place, it made 76 horsepower with the stock exhaust and just that lid taken off and the performance air filter. Considering it quotes 77 stock, it made 76 at the back wheel.
Not bad.
Told you, man. Bike's a little ripper. Right, let's get this update done. Ed's giving me more power, although he's not allowed to say he's giving me more power. Hopefully the computer's giving me more power. But yeah, get over to your dealers, get your bikes plugged in, get all your updates done, guys. You obviously need this for the warranty as well. Otherwise, Ducati will kick your ass. Guys, just to give you a scale of this place, it's absolutely bonkers. I couldn't believe how big this was underneath. It's like Aladdin's Cave. You've got all workshops here, guys, working all the bikes. I think this one's being prepped for track days. Obviously, that's my bike. There's more down the bottom. There's got like a race department at the back. These are all customers' bikes down here. And over here, they've even got their own flipping dyno room. They've got a dyno room at a Ducati dealership. It's absolutely nuts. Bikes and bikes everywhere. Parts everywhere. And I think we've got... What's this? The engine room. Area 51. So this cannot be going online to anyone because there could be some trade secrets being shared here. I swear, all you can smell is oil in here. All I can smell is like oil. Ooh, burnt engine. Wow.
Bloke's blown the head gasket and carried on riding it.
And he didn't notice. He like didn't notice like the change in obviously the engine not working or something. Wow.
So you sound normal. As in the fact that if you noticed your bike didn't smell right, you'd stop.
Yeah. The burnt oil, mate, it proper pongs in here. I've never seen an engine like in half like this. It's crazy. Look at all this, man. Bits and bits and bits. Look at all these heads, pistons. Wow. Crazy, man. Absolute crazy. That's just one half of it. And then you got all here, down here. These are all race bikes. So these are customers' bikes that are going to Europe, doing the track days. They do their track days, come back here, and these guys do them whatever the next bit of work on it, man. I mean, look at that. That looks absolutely gorgeous. Look at this strip tat one. Wow. It's even got a K-Tech Racing shock on it. That looks sick. And not only that, they even have their little own machine room, so they can actually machine parts and everything. This is not like a dealership that I've ever seen in my life. This is more like a manufacturing company with just a Ducati label on it. Look, even do their own tyres. Got a tyre bay. Switch your tyres on. Put your track day. Put your slicks on. Get your brand new Pirelli Super Corsas. I've never seen so many paddock stands in my life. I did ask to see what paddock stand goes on the front because I still can't find one that fits perfectly. You've got all these bikes. Hey, look, they've even got an Öhlins suspension room. You can get all your suspension done work as well. Wow, look at all that gold. Wow, awesome. More forks down there, rear shocks. Flip your neck, mate. Oh, I think this is like the recycling stuff with the oil and stuff like that. But, mate, I am absolutely blown away. This place is nuts. It's all right. Hey. It's memorabilia, I guess. Motor. JHP Coventry, guys. JHP Coventry. Right, that's it. Ed has done his magic. He's got a thumbs up, clean banner health, nothing to report. He's done a few little tweaks, obviously, with my amateur mechanic skills. He's sorted them out, but the bike is done. He's now going to go and take it on a quick test ride. So I'm going to get out of his face and go upstairs and go and grab a drink. Right, Ed's been on the test ride. We've got the thumbs up, all good. Just settling up the bill here. And then we can finally get back home and test it. Let's go. And just like that, boys and girls, we are done. Massive shout out to Ducati Coventry. Proper looked after me. Let me film, do everything else, and even did me a discount on the price and the parts. So let's get home, boys. Let's get home. Ride safe, like, subscribe, comment, do all the usuals, and catch you in the next one.